Okay, children. So let's revise quadratic equations. Okay. Situation problems are deleted. So remain sums what you will get in quadratic equations means you may get you may get split the middle term means factorization. Split the middle term. Split the middle term, children, we can do by just by factorization or by completing square method or by what is the method formula method. Okay, so completing square method also is not there for you. Formula method and factorization method we can do. Formula method means what is the formula for splitting the middle term, children? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula method. Factorization is direct splitting, children. After this, finding discriminant is also there. Finding discriminant. Finding discriminant sums also very important. Discriminant formula is what, children? D square minus 4. When you are doing d square minus 4ac, d square minus 4ac, if you get value as positive, what does it indicate? Real roots are present. Real roots. If you get value as 0, you will get equal roots. If you get value negative, discriminant value negative, no roots. Roots are not positive. When you are finding discriminant, if you get positive value, real roots are present. If you get 0, equal roots are present. Negative means no roots. Real roots means 3 and 4 or 4 and 5, something. Equal roots means 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, like that. No roots means you waste of doing that sum, you can't factor. Okay, so we have only two topics in this lesson, children. If situation problems are related, one is finding discriminant, other is splitting the middle term. Okay, children. So we will do both simultaneously, children. Some examples of discriminant. In discriminant, finding k sums are coming regularly, children. In discriminant, finding k sums are coming. How will be the finding k sums? These I will show you, children. Very, very important. Finding k sums are coming. Okay. One second. Write this question. So finding k. First, I will tell easy questions. Then I will go for big questions. Suppose kx square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Here, the roots are real and equal. He will only say roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. What is the condition for real and equal? Anyone?
Equal to 0.
Discriminant is equal to 0. For real and equal, discriminant is equal to 0. What is discriminant formula? Anyone?
B square minus 4ac.
B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here A is how much? 4. Sorry. K. A is K. B is how much, children? 4. C is how much, children? 1. B square means?
Square minus 4 into k into 1 is equal to 0. 16 minus 4k is equal to.
Okay, 4k is equal to 0.
0.
4 common.
4 minus k is equal to 0. 4 minus k is equal to 0.
Suppose if you bring 4 down, 4 minus k is equal to 0. 4 is equal to k. Suppose if you bring 4 minus k down, 0 minus 4 minus k is 0. So 4. So 0 is the answer. So k can be 0 or 4. If you bring 4 minus k is 0, everything will become 0. If you bring 4 down, 4 minus k is equal to 0, k is equal to 4. I hope you are able to understand, children. If you didn't understand, one more sum I will tell children. Easy sum first I will tell, but that much easy sums will come in only in 1 mark. Okay, little bit difficult sums. Okay. So children, see. X square minus 2 into 5 plus 2kx plus 3 into 7 plus 10k is equal to 0. Find the value of k if roots are real and equal. Find the value of k if roots are real and equal. Find the value of k if roots are real and equal. Yes, discriminant is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Can anyone say what is a, children, here? Nothing is there. A is 1. Can anyone say what is b, children, here? B.
1 minus 4k.
Minus 2 into 5 plus 2k. And what is c, children? Entire
3 into 7k, 7 plus 10k.
A into 7 plus 10. Okay, let's substitute here, children. What is B, children? What is B?
Minus 2 into 5 plus 2k whole square
Okay.
minus 4 into 1 into 3 into 7 plus 10k is equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. So minus 2 whole square, how much, children? 4. 5 plus 2k whole square. 4 3 is 12. 7 plus 10k is equal to 0. Okay, children? Now we have to expand this, children. Let's expand.
4 into
4 into
25
25
plus
plus
4k square
plus
plus 20k
2 5 that is 10 to the 20k minus 12 into 7 plus 10
plus 10k.
is equal to 0. Okay, children. Simplification. Let's take 4 common, children. If you take 4 common, what is there, children, inside?
25 plus 4k square plus 20k
20.
minus 3 into 7
Minus
plus
3 into
10k
3 into 7 plus 10k
is equal to 0.
3. 4 will go below the 0. Answer is 0, children. For that. So tell me, 25 plus
4k square plus 20k minus 21 minus 30k
is equal
is
to
equal to 0.
okay.
4k square minus 10k plus 4 is equal to 0.
Okay, can anyone tell? Yeah.
16 ante
2k, what is that? 2k square minus 5k plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, children, how much? 2k square minus 5k plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 to the 4 we should get, middle 5 we should get. What are the factors?
4 and 1.
Minus 4k minus 1k plus 2 is equal to 0. Like this sums will come in 3 marks, children. Like this sums. So 2k if you take common, k minus 2. Minus 1 if you take common, k minus 2 is equal to 0. So k minus 2 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. So children, k minus 2 is equal to 0 means k is equal to 2. 2k minus 1 is equal to 0 means 2k is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 by 2. Like this sums will come, children. Like this sums will come. Little bit big. More than this also will come, children. So first I am showing you this. So these are only important sums, children. These are only more important sums. Let's do some more. So discriminant you should understand, children. If it is positive, it is real. If it is 0, it is equal. If it is minus, it is negative. Okay, children. One more question, children. 4x square minus 2 into k plus 1x plus k plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, k plus 4 is equal to 0. What is a, children, here? A.
4
B is how much, children?
minus 2 into k plus 1.
Don't take x, children. Okay, don't take x. What is C, children?
K plus 4.
Now discriminant is 0. He only said, children. Discriminant is 0. Okay, so what is discriminant, children?
b square minus 4ac
Is equal to 0. B is how much, children? B is how much?
minus 2
Minus
into k plus 1 whole square.
K plus 1 whole square. 4 into k plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 2 whole square is 4, children.
4 k plus 1 whole square minus 16 into k plus 4 whole square.
Okay, children, take 4 common, children. 4 common. If you take 4 common, k plus 1 whole square
Square minus 4k plus 1. 4 into k plus
is equal to
is
0.
equal to 0. Take
This
4
will go down, children. Yeah.
k square plus
plus
1
1 k square plus 1 plus 2k minus 4k
4
plus 16
minus 16.
Minus 16 is equal to 0 by 4 is 0, children. 0 by 4 is 0, children. Okay, so try to understand, children. So k square
minus 15
Minus 2k minus 15 is equal to 0.
minus 0. Okay, so k square is equal to
Minus 5k plus 3k
minus 15.
minus
Equal to
15 is
0.
equal to 0.
Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. 5 is a 15, children. So common
K minus 5 plus 3 we can take on k minus 5 is equal to 0. So k minus 5 into k plus 3.
is equal to 0.
0.
K
K
can
is
be
equal
5.
to 5 or k is equal to minus 3.
K is equal to minus. Like this question. This is easy sums, children. These are easy sums. Little bit more complicated also will come, children. Little bit more complicated. Let's do like that sums, children. I will take 4 sums like that also. Okay. Let's see. Okay, more means, children, how it will be. Let's say little bit big, children, little bit. If the equation slowly, children, please concentrate and practice 3-4 times, you'll understand. If split the equation 1 plus n square into x square plus 2mcx plus. Please don't sit idle, children. Anyway, you are saying, please keep doing along with me. At least you get practice. Have equal roots. We have to prove that. C square is equal to a square into 1 plus n square. This is the proof. Okay? And they said equal roots. So D is equal to 0. So what is A here, children?
1 plus m square.
What is B here, children?
2mc.
What is C here, children?
b square minus a square.
Same, children, substitute in discriminating D is equal to 0. So D is equal to 0. B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Can anyone tell me the substitution?
2mc whole square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square.
Is equal to 0. 2MC whole square?
4m square c square minus 4
1 into C square? C square.
c square
1 into S square?
minus a square
M square into C square?
square c square
M
minus
square.
m square a square
M square A square
is equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. 4 M square
M
C
square
square
c square minus 4 c square plus 4 a square minus 4 m square c square plus 4 m square a square is equal to 0.
Okay, so this and this common, children. Okay, so among all these things, 4 is common, children.
4
Okay, if you take 4 common, what will be C square minus A
minus
square,
a
because minus
square
into minus plus. And here plus is there, you put minus, children.
minus m square a square is equal to 0. Take minus for that side. C square minus a square.
So 0 by minus 4 is 0 only, children. C square minus A square is equal to M square A square. Only bring A square this side, children, because according to the question, C square is alone, children. So if C square is alone, C square is equal to M square A square plus A square. Take A square common, A square into M square plus 1 and proved. Like this question will come, children, for 5 marks. Like this question. Direct substitution, simplification you have to do slowly, minus and plus you have to take it carefully. Don't bring the answers, children, you should get the answers. By seeing the proof, some people will bring it. No, you should get it. Many people have a habit of bringing answers, children. Please be careful. You should get it. Okay. Next question. Like this, only one more question, children. Like this only. I hope everyone copied, children. Please keep copying. Don't sit idle. Like this, only one more scenario, children. See here. Don't sit idle, children. Please keep copying. Okay, children. If the roots of the equations a square plus b square x square, okay, minus 2 c ac plus bd x, okay, plus c square d square is equal to 0. Okay, we have to prove that. Okay, so we require to prove that. Okay, what is prove that? See, children, here also condition same, equal roots they give, children. Here also condition same, equal roots they give. Then prove that, we have to prove that a by b is equal to c by d. Okay, children, anyone wants to say this sum? Any boys are there? Who can tell? Any boys? A is equal to a square plus b square. B is equal to minus 2 into AC plus BD, and C is equal to C square plus D square. Okay, so what is the condition, children? Discriminant should be equal to 0. Means B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Anyone tell me substitution? Anyone tell me
minus b into AC
Minus
plus
2 into
BD whole square
BD whole square
minus 4 into a square plus b square into c square plus d square is equal to 0.
minus
4
2 whole square is 4.
4 AC plus BD whole square minus 4 into a square plus b square into c square plus d square is equal to 0.
Take 4 common.
AC plus BD whole square minus a square plus b square into c square plus d square is equal to 0.
Bring 4 down.
Yeah.
What happens?
AC plus BD whole square minus A square plus B square into C square plus D square is equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. Now expand AC plus BD whole square.
AC
A square,
AC square plus
A
B
square, C square,
plus B square D square plus 2 into
A,
AC
B, BD. 2 into AB into CD. Okay, close this. Minus A square into C square,
A square C square
A square into D
A
square,
square D square plus
A
B
square D
square C square
plus
plus
B
B
square
square
C
D
square
square
plus
B
B
square
square
D
C
square is equal to 0.
is equal to 0. Now open the brackets.
A square C square plus B square D square plus 2ABCD minus A square C square minus A square D square minus B square C square minus B square D square is equal to 0. Cancel.
Then this cancel.
Cancel.
This.
Cancel.
Now what is there now?
2ABCD.
So we will change the sign somehow. This side, this side, this side will change. Change this side. Means sir, we are bringing this here, this here, this here. Tell me. A square, B square.
Plus B square C square minus 2ABCD is equal to 0.
This is the form of A square
A
plus B
square plus
square.
B square plus 2AB minus 2AB. A minus B whole square.
Who is A here? Who is A?
A square D square.
No, A. Who is B here?
BC whole square is equal to 0. Square that side.
Okay.
Minus BC is equal to 0. AD is equal to BC. AB A by B is equal to C by D.
And children like this questions will come children for 4 marks and 5 marks. Sorry, 3 marks and 5 marks. Like this question. Because already word problems are deleted for this year. Like this questions only will come children. You have to concentrate more. You have to practice like this because nothing children in word problems means we can give more twisted questions. When there are no twisted questions possible, the twisted questions we can give from here on. Okay, so maximum you practice like this, some children, 5 months and 3 months you will. I'll tell like this 3 more some children so that you will have perfect understanding. Everywhere same children, everywhere they are giving the same thing. What they are saying again and saying should. Now see here, ax square plus 2 into LRX. 1 second children, with the roots of the equation, ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0, and other one is other equation bx square minus 2 root of acx plus b is equal to 0. Okay, are simultaneously real. If the roots of the equation both of them are simultaneously real, then prove that b square is equal to ac. B square is equal to AC is asking. Simultaneously real. Real he is saying not equal. Is asking you to prove B square is equal to AC. That's real. Real means what is the condition? Real means
Discriminant will be positive.
discriminant should be positive.
Positive.
Means discriminant should be greater than 0. Discriminant should be greater than 0. Okay, children. In this case, first, what is A? A is A only. What is B, children?
B.
C is C.
0.
B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. Okay, children, B is how much? 2B whole square, 4 into A into C is greater than 0. Okay, 4B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. Okay, children, take 4 common. B square minus AC is greater than 0. So, children, 4 will come down. So B square minus AC is greater than 0 by 4. B square minus AC is greater than 0. Okay, children. So if you bring it here, B square is greater than AC. We say B square is greater than AC, or else we can write B square is equal to AC. Okay, children. Greater than or equal, but not less than. Real is it? No? Real is it? Real can be, children, real can be greater than 0 or equal to 0 because real and equal and real and unique. Real and unique is greater than 0. Real and equal is equal to 0. Anything. Here also we will show children. What is A here, children? B. What is B here, children? Anyone? minus 2 root AC. What is C here, children? B.
B.
Okay, discriminant is equal to 0. Tell me, children, B square minus 4AC is equal to 0.
Zero.
What is B, children?
minus 2
Minus
Paranthetical, like voice. Tell me.
AC whole square minus 4 into B into B.
B into B is equal to 0. Tell me. Very good. Minus 2
Uh,
whole square.
4
Minus
root 2
4
root
square.
square cancel AC minus 4B square. 4 common AC minus B square.
Okay.
AC minus B square. 4 will go 0, so 0. So AC is equals to B square. We'll bring side. It will bring right side. AC is equals to B square.
That's it, children. In both the cases, we have proved. Very good. Pranti and Rakesh, very good. So B square is equal to AC here, and B square is equal to AC here. So real and unique means greater than 0. Real and equal means equal to 0, children. He only said real, so I took equal, children. He only said real, that's all. Okay, real and equal means 0, greater than equal to 0. Real and unique means greater than 0. Okay, children. So like this one more. Very easy solution, children. But then see, children, by seeing the big equation, some people will unnecessarily feel nervous, children. Nothing will be there. So children, next question is there like this, children. See here. If this will be a little big question, please concentrate, everyone. Roots of the equation: c square minus ab x square minus 2 into a square minus bx into k. Not k, x, children. X. This is bc, children. This is bc. C square minus ab to a square plus b square minus ac. Okay, children, whichever is having x square, that is it. Whichever is having x, that is b. Remaining everything, whatever is there, that is c, children. Everything which is not having k or k square. Required to prove is either prove a is equal to 0, either prove a is equal to 0, or prove a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Two things we have to prove. Okay, yeah. Can anyone tell what is a, children, here?
C square minus AB, B is equal to minus 2 into A square minus BC, C is equal to B square minus AC.
So required condition, children, real is a real and equal, discriminant is 0. Discriminant 0 means d is equal to 0. Means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B is how much, children?
Minus 2
2
into
into a square minus b square whole square minus 4 into c square minus ab into b square minus ac.
Is equal to 0. Keep saying. Minus 2 whole square, how much?
4
Okay.
into a square minus b square whole square minus 4 into c square minus ab into b square minus ac. 4 common. A square minus b square whole square minus c square minus ab into b square minus ac is equal to 0.
Okay, break this down.
4 0. Yes.
A square minus bc
Whole square minus c square minus ab to b square minus ac.
is equal to 0. Now tell, expand this one, expand this.
A square whole square.
How
A
much?
square whole a to the power of 4
Okay.
plus b square c square minus 2 abc.
A4, a to the power of 4 plus b square c square minus 2
abc.
No, a square, 2a square.
A square bc.
No, minus.
Yes.
This into this.
C square b square.
Okay. This into this.
C square minus c
Minus
cube
AC
a.
cube. Minus AC.
Yes.
This into this.
Minus a b cube
Okay. This into this
plus a square cb.
is equal to 0. Very good. Open the brackets. A4 plus
B square c square minus 2a square bc minus c square b square plus ac cube plus ab cube minus a square bc
is equal to
0.
this cancel. Okay. If Lana, here, who is common?
A
Take a common. What is left over? Can you help me?
a cube minus
C cube
yes,
plus
b cube minus 2abc
3abc. 3a minus 2 minus 1.
Yes.
Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0.
0.
If you bring a down, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. That is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3ab. If you take this whole thing down, then a is equal to 0 by a cube plus c cube plus b cube minus 3abc. 0 by anything is 0, so a is equal to 0. So we have proved this and this. I told that one like this way. Very good, Tanish. It was very nice. So children, like this questions only will come, children. Compulsory you will get, children. They have 100% guarantee. If you practice 2 times, 3 times each, in the exam you can do very fast, very fast. If not, in the exam you will see, minus, and plus, start like this, that thing, that bit again, do this, errors it again. Don't get confused. Keep practicing 2, 3 times over. Finish. Like it's because children situation problems are not there. This time they will concentrate more on like this sums, like this sums. Just by seeing this question only, many people will get nervous. That's all. By seeing this equation only, they will feel nervous. Okay, children, but they are very, very easy, children. Just by practice, you will get, children. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 times, if you practice, you will get. One more sum like this one, children, for your understanding. 1 second, children. Question is like this, children. What is the question is? B minus C x square plus C minus A x plus A minus B is equal to 0. Same children, equal roots. Same children, equal roots. A minus B is equal to 0. We have to prove that 2B is equal to A plus C. Yes, that's 2B is equal to A plus C. Anyone? Anyone wants to start the sum? What is ABC?
A is equal to B minus C, B is equal to C minus A, C is equal to A minus B.
Okay.
D is equal to 0, D is B square minus 4AC is equal to 0.
Okay.
C minus A whole square minus 4 into B minus C into A minus B is equal to 0.
Expand.
C square plus A square minus 2CA minus 4 into BA minus B square minus CA plus CB is equal to 0. C square plus A square minus 2AC minus 4BA plus 4B square plus 4CA minus 4CB is equal to 0.
Okay, rearrangement. First we will put A square. Then we will put 4B square means 2B whole square. Then we will put C square. Okay, so 4AC minus 2, where is AB? First AB minus 4. For next BC minus 4BC. Next CA, 4 minus 2 is plus 2C. Children, in 9th class I told you, where to keep minus. See, where is minus coming? Here and here. Here and here, who is common, children?
B.
B. So for B, you put minus.
To B.
Wherever B is there, minus is there, no? So for B, you keep minus. Wherever B is coming, minus is coming. So for B, you put minus. In 9th class, I told you this one. So this is in the form of A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to 0. That is nothing but A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 0. Children, what is A, children, here? A. What is B, children? Minus 2. What is C, children? CO is equal to 0. So A minus 2B plus C is equal to 0. 2B goes here. A plus C is equal to 2B. And proof. I told you, no, children. Very, very nice sums, children. All are same variety, children. All are same variety. Same variety. It's coming, children. Everything. Yes, children. You are able to understand, children? Yeah. So next question. Like this. Okay. Like this, only one more, 2 more questions will do. We'll stop. Remaining revision will do tomorrow. Yeah. See, children. Next question is like this. So next question is like this. Show that the equation, see here. Question is, prove that the roots of the equation, show that the equation 2 into a square plus b square, 2 into a square plus b square x square, plus 2 into a plus b into x plus 1 is equal to 0 has no real roots, no real roots. Condition you see, no real roots. When a is not equal to b, when a is not equal to b, when a is not equal to b, he is asking to show that this has no real roots. See, show that the equation, this one, has no real roots when a is equal to b. Okay, let's find discriminant, children. Simple, don't worry about that. Let's find discriminant. What is formula for discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Okay, what is a, children? 2 into a square plus b square. Don't take x. Okay, b is equal to 2 into a plus b. What is c, children? 1. Let's find discriminant, children. No real roots means it should come less than 0. No real roots means it should come, b should come less than 0. Okay, let's check. We will get or not. Okay, just can anyone help me substitution? What is substitution? 2 into a plus b whole square, 4 into
2 into a square plus b square into 1.
Into 1.
1.
So 2 square is
4. A plus b whole square minus 4 into 2 into a square plus b square.
So we write 2a square plus
2b square.
Okay, we'll expand.
4 common.
We'll take 4 common now here. Okay, take common 4. So this is a
A
square
plus b square plus 2ab
minus
minus 2a square minus 2b square.
2b square. So 4 into a square minus 2a square is
A minus a square minus b square
minus b square
plus 2ab.
Okay, so I will take minus common. If I take minus common, this will
A
become
square plus b square minus 2ab, which is in the form of a minus
a
b.
minus a minus b, a minus b whole
Square.
square. Children, now you see, children, simple logic, children, we got d is equal to minus 4 into a minus b whole square. Forget about a minus b whole square. Forget. Because if you get positive also, square is positive. If you get negative also, square is positive. But here what is there, children?
Minus 4, which is less than 0.
Minus means negative. Negative means discriminant is less than 0. Because this is anyway plus only, children. This is anyway plus. But here minus is there. Minus discriminant means no real root. Simple logic, children. No real root. Like this you do exam. I'm telling you nothing. You have to understand the concept. Those who didn't understand the concept, last one sum I will tell you now. After this, we'll stop. One more, like this only, one more sum, children. Okay, one more. Please keep copying, children, and practice of the class. Once you practice, you will become perfect, children. So that you need not to practice later again. We can do new sums. X minus a into x minus b. Last question, children. X minus a into x minus b plus x minus b into x minus c, x minus b into x minus c, plus x minus c into x minus a is equal to 0. Prove that the roots are real. He's saying prove that roots are real. Real means d can be 0 or d can be greater than 0. Prove that roots are real, but they are equal. Roots are real, but they are equal. But they are equal only if they are given condition. Only if a is equal to b is equal to c. Two conditions we have to consider. First, let us find discriminant, children, then we can do everything. First, let's find discriminant. To find discriminant, we don't have x square, we don't have b, y square, x, anything. First, you have to simplify it. Let's simplify this, children, because nothing we have. So, x into x square, x into b, minus b.
Minus ax plus ab
plus ab. Again, x into x
square x minus xc minus bx plus bc
plus
plus
bc
x square minus XA
Ax
minus
minus
CX
Bx
plus
plus
CA is equal to 0.
AC is equal to 0. Okay. Now
A
children, how many
square
x square are there?
3
Very good. 3x square. How many x's are there, children?
minus 2BX
Minus 2bx
minus
minus
2AX
minus 2ax
minus 2CX
minus 2cx. After that, what is left over?
plus
B
AB
plus bc
A
plus c.
plus AC is equal to 0.
Now, children, we can write this equation as ax square minus 2x into b plus a plus c plus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Now we got an equation. We got a quadratic equation. What is in this quadratic equation? What is a, children? 3. What is b, children? Minus 2 into a plus b plus c. What is c, children? AB plus BC plus CA. This is quadratic equation and ABC. Now let's find discriminant. What is discriminant formula? B square minus 4AC. Substitution. Last sum, B activation and I will go away afterwards. 2 into A plus B plus C whole square minus 4 into A is 3 children, C is AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, children. So expansion. This we have to expand. Minus 2 whole square is 4 children. Expansion of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca minus 4 into this is over how much? 3ab plus 3bc plus 3ca. Okay, 4 you take common, children. If you take 4 common, 4 if you take common, children, a square plus b square plus c square 2ab minus 3ab minus ab 2bc minus this is minus is there no minus 3bc minus bc 2ca minus 3ca minus ac ca is equal. Okay, this is the condition. Now slowly we will see. Okay, what is the condition? Okay, so discriminant we got as a is 4 into a square plus b square plus c square minus of ab plus bc plus c. Okay, children. So, children, if you see it slowly, children, what happens is a square plus b square. This I will show you like this. See here. If you remember, children, we have a plus b plus c whole square formula as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus c. This is the formula. Okay, children. So, what I will write this see children, what I will write a square plus b square plus c square means what I will write a square plus b square plus c square means b is equal to 4 into children what I can write a square plus b square plus c square, anyone?
A plus b plus c whole square minus
A plus b whole square minus
2 into ab
minus
plus
2ab minus 2bc
minus 2bc
minus 2ca.
2ca
Apart from this, what is there?
minus ab minus bc minus c.
Minus ca we have, children. So d is equal to 4 into we have a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 times of ab plus bc plus ca is there, children. Okay. So children, here because square is there, children. The square of this term, children, will compulsory will be positive because this square is there. Square and this is also positive value is there, children. So a plus b plus c whole square form is there. So the compulsory will become positive. So you may get greater than 0. Or see, children, slowly I will say if a and b and c are equal, if all these 3 are equal, see, if all these 3 are equal, what you will get 3a whole square and this is a square, this is also a square, this is also a square plus a square plus a square is how much, children?
3a square.
3a square. Please see here, children. So 4 into 9a square minus 9a square is equal to 0. If discriminant is 0, then it is equal. If a and b and c are equal, it is 0. If they are not equal, here square is there, you get positive value. So like that you have to expansion. If A and B and C are equal, you are getting discriminant 0. Discriminant 0 means real and equal. If you are not taking equal, here square is there. From square, if you minus do this thing, and anyway you get positive value. Yeah, it's like you have to expand. Okay, little bit bigger sum only, children, but the first 4, 5 sums which I told, like to prove c square is equal to a square 1 plus n square, to prove that b a by b square, they are coming regularly, children, in board exams. Okay, children. So like this we have to do, children. So remain sums tomorrow we will do practice, children. Thank you so much. And tomorrow, since max exam is there, will take so much time, children. At least 2 hours tomorrow I will take, children. Thank you so much.